Hey, it's D. So it's time to go over my dividends that I received from my investing portfolios for the month of December. And I am also going to recap all the dividends I received in the year of 2023. So stay tuned. Hey, it's D. Okay, so this was a very good month for dividends, and this is usually the case for the quarter end and the year end. So I am tracking my dividends every day pretty much. I go out there and I check my portfolios and see what I have. I am not a financial advisor. What I am sharing on my channel is what I'm doing to hopefully get me in the path of being able to retire early. So yeah, y'all, I'm just showing you what I'm doing and how I am investing. So first of all, I want to go over the amount of dividends I got from my 2 brokerage accounts, and these will be the accounts that I can pull out any dividends and not be penalized for taking them out before their retirement age. So in Stash, I was able to get a total of $14.01. And in my Fidelity account, I was able to get $2.36. Okay, so one of my biggest dividends in my retirement account, which is usually every month, was in Jeppy. And this is my rollover retirement account for when I was in a corporate world, and I rolled over my 401ks and I got a total of $51.81. And this was almost a share with that dividend. And my other IRA account, which is my Roth IRA, well, actually, no, this is also in my rollover IRA. So I got some dividends from SCHD. It was a quarter for SCHD to pay out, and I got a total of $79.32. Now, for the first time ever, I was able to get 1 full share of SCHD with the dividends that I received, and I do automatically reinvest my dividends to whatever position is in that portfolio, and that is how I'm able to grow my portfolios, as I am currently unable to invest. So on this first page, my smallest dividend was for 73 cents when I got that in WSR and NWL. So yeah, all dividends count, and I have all of mine, as I stated, reinvested so I can build my positions up. Now let's go to the second part of December. And on these, I was able to get some payouts from some mutual funds. So from FSELX, I got a total of $34.94. And on this page, my lowest dividend was a total of 4 cents. And this is for NVDA. Now, this is a tech company. And when I bought in on this actual position, I got it at a very, very good price. So I will do a screenshot. I am up quite a bit in this position, and they don't pay a big dividend, but my gains are so, they are so good, y'all. And I was like totally surprised. And yeah, and y'all, that is my dividends for the month of December. Now let's go over to my next tracker and see how much I was able to get on these 2 pages. So this is the tracker that I use to track my dividends for the year, so I can get a quick snapshot of what I received that year, that quarter, and right. So for December, I was able to get a total dividends of $307.51. Like, wow. Whew. So a lot of that is due to the mutual funds that paid out at the end of the year. Me reinvesting my dividends I got from the prior quarter or month. So this right here, this 307 is the largest dividend that I got within a single month for 2023. To see now, only thing I invested between September and December was $11, and that $11 came from my YouTube paycheck, and that is all. So 307.51 minus 196.04, which was the dividends I received in September, I got $111.47 more in dividends. Wow. Y'all, turn on that drip. Have them dividends reinvested. I'm trying to tell y'all, because you'll see the difference. I promise you, you'll see the difference, because as you reinvest those dividends, your shares go up, and as your shares go up, your dividend payout or payouts go up. So yeah, y'all, that is like passive income, mindless behavior. Okay, so now let's see what I was able to get in the fourth quarter. So 245.62 for October, plus 105.10 for November, and December was 307.51. Woo, y'all. So that's a total of $658.23. So, whoo, that's a big jump. So you see down here in the first quarter, I got a little over $108, and I ended out at $658.23. I did restructure my rollover IRA in April and May, so that is when my dividends started to increase, and I am so glad that I did do that. So now let's see what I was able to get for the full year of 23. So 108.91 in quarter one, 349.16 in quarter two, 533.06 in quarter three, and lastly $658.23 in quarter four. Whew, that's it, y'all. Wow. Okay, so I am not mad at that. So for the year of 2023, I was able to bring in a total of $1,649.36 in dividends. Woo! That is totally surprising to me. Whew! Over $1,000 in dividends. You can't get no better than that. Only thing I did was invest my money in the companies that I believe in and making those investment work for me. And y'all, that is all I did. Let me know, do you invest down below? And if you do, what is your current favorite stock? And yeah, I want to open some happy mail from my girl Nija from Budget and Bacon. And I want to say congratulations to her. She just told me today she has her 4,000 watch hours. So I will tag her down below. She is still working on her 1,000 subscribers. So check out her channel and subscribe, comment, and tell her that I sent you, so we can help her get 100% monetized here on YouTube, hopefully within the next month or two. So yeah, so Nija, girl, thank you. You were surprising me, and I cracked up laughing when I saw this IDB. I was like, yeah, it's the bankroll. Hey. Alrighty, so this is a Christmas card that she got. Let me move this out the way. So this is a Christmas card, and it is so pretty. I don't know where she got this little bitty card from, but it's so cute. And in here it says, "D, Merry late Christmas and Happy New Year, Nija." And it says, "I bring you good news of joy." And then it has, "But the angel said to them, don't be afraid, for behold, I bring you good news of great joy, which will be for all the people." Luke 2:10. So thank you so much, Nija. And she gave me some money, y'all. She gave me some prop money. She gave me some real money. So these are her very cute $100 Christmas prop money. I do have some from her from last year, which I will add this to my collection. And y'all, I about teared up, and she sent me some more D-Bucks. And if you don't know, I am saving up D-bucks and any extra money I can to put against my mortgage, since I am currently unable to make any extra mortgage payments right now. So this will come in handy. So y'all watch this. She gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Y'all, 9 D-bucks. Naja. I can't thank you enough. I really can't. I'm trying to be a big girl to not get emotional, but this means so much to me. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these $9 to this little binder situation that I have going on. And yeah, y'all, and once I get this filled up, I will be putting this as a extra principal payment to my mortgage. Whew, Naja, thank you. Y'all go over there and show her some love. She is a very giving spirit, and she just paid off her mortgage in August of last year. So yeah, y'all, that is it for my video, y'all. I'm just still in shock. Don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And yeah, y'all, we're gonna go in this 2024, and we're gonna see how these dividends gonna make it do what it do for 2024. I will continue sharing that on my channel. And y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.